This is what is going on social media. Everyone's talking about. So we got to talk about it too, because these are musicians that we've been pushing. So some people are saying they are under house arrest because the management doesn't want them to come out and be out. Why? There were some sexual abuse going on.
Sexual abuse?
Yes. Yeah, like some rumors that actually going on in the camp. But some people are saying, okay, within them. Some people are saying, this is a stunt for them to do a comeback. But some people are saying it is true. Some of the guys on the management, they're taking advantage of them. They want to sleep with them. And some they sleep with them. Listen, that's why you've not been seeing these girls anywhere. And in one of the girls had her dad sick. But she was refused to go to see her dad. But she sneaked out and went to see her dad. But when she came back, niba musala omusala. Nkujira byebyo biri mu camp. Waliwo era abagamba the boss. Mbu abaana abaagala bombi nga atalina girlfriend.
Who's the boss?
Ojja munonyerezaako. So I was reading. No, I can't say the name. Come on, respectfully.
Tell me of
No, I can't. Respectfully.
Even if I got a gun to you.
I can't do that respectfully. But this is what is going on. These are artists that we need to talk about. I don't know which is which. Some people are saying the girl is addicted to drugs. That's why they're under house arrest. Some people are saying, boss, abana badde abaagala ky'ovolaba mutayagala bifulume nnyo. These are rumors that are moving around. But we do request from anyone from the management. Bajje bakiriringe rumors zino. Because for mulimu gwaffe kubulira abantu tetumanyi ki kituufu. Waliwo abagamba mbu abaana bali addicted to drugs, ky'ovolaba bali under house arrest. Waliwo abagamba mbu simanyi ababeegala, simanyi abikimbu babatunda. So we need to know. Waliwo abagamba this is a comeback, but they have a song coming. This is a stunt.
But we hope so, because
so we need to know which is which. I myself, I tried to talk to one of the guys in the management, but the phone wasn't going through.
Whom do you think is better to talk about this issue? The girls themselves or their
The girls can't because they're not allowed.
Okay.
Even the phones, they are tracked. So they can't come out and talk about it. But when you call somebody on the management, so I think what we need right now from the management to come out and clear everything, because these are superstars. These are artists that, they have fans.
These things, I can't be surprised, honestly, anymore about such things in the entertainment industry. Those things have happened for you.
These girls, Kataleya Kandle, omugaga yabafunira apartment mwe babeera. Ne batandika okuleta mumbu abasajja. Ne cameras bali bataddemu okubakuuma mbwe nga bazibika kumbe nga tebamanyi nti omugagga abakola kyabitegeera mbuba era waliwo n'abayimbi abamu some musicians that wanted to take over the girls. One of the musicians that I'm not going to say was trying to date the two girls
at the same time.
Ng'era agamba gwe vaayo eyo nze ngenda kumanejinga. One of the girls nga musuubiza okumumanejinga n'omugagga n'akimanya mbu n'asirika. But for them, they are trying to sabotage the name of the boss, trying to say false information. So kai bwanyumiriza nangamba maani mugagga ataddemu ssente nnyingi teri muntu musiro ayinza kuteeka mu baana abo ssente zonna nga tayagala zidde ate mbu n'abakola ebintu ebitaliiyo. Bambi the guy he was disappointed to a point. Right now tamanyi na gye bali mbu. They are saying they are under house arrest kumbe tamanyi na gye bali apparently. Okitegeera mbu baavaayo ne mu apartment gyali abafunira ne bafuluma tamanyi gye bali.
Have they checked them?
Exactly, I was about to say that.
Okitegeera. So
Christopher, your source is a trusted source?
Definitely.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yesterday I was just going around, talking about the rumors, but this time around somebody within talked to me. We talked for like 30 minutes. Nangamba man. Management, but you as the guys that are on radio, TV, we need to tell you our side, so that you tell the people two sides. For the girls, the people that do support the girls, side. Now this is side from the management. But the girls, what wabayimbi, musimanya twalu n'abasajja, abadde dating ababiri, ne baletera okuyombagana. So
wait. So these two girls were fighting over this man.
They were not fighting. But this musician, Bombi Yabada,
does this musician have dreadlocks?